Hello, my dear first year students. Unit 1, page number 10, and you are communicating English. And this is your video module 4. Composing your bio note. Sometimes we say profile. When you want to write and present your bio note or profile in the social media, you need to know how do you write your biodata or a bio note. Bio note is nothing but just you have to write about yourself, your strengths, your hobbies, and in what way you would like to share your views, ideas, thoughts, and so on. There might be occasions when you have to speak about yourself. Provide a small write-up bio note to help a program organizer introduce you to an audience. For this purpose, you need to acquaint yourself with writing a bio note. Sometime you may go and present some paper presentation, or sometime you go and participate in the speech competition, elocution, seminar, project presentation. There, organizers, anchors, they will ask you to introduce yourself. Sometime they will ask you to write about your bio note and put up in the social media. Social media, you know very well, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. There, you'll have to write briefly about yourself. And in what way you can write, today we shall see. The first one, task. Write a bio note about yourself to publish in your blog in about 120 words. This is a university question. You will be asked to write a write-up on yourself that will be published in social media. Social media, already I explained, Twitter, Facebook and all. Otherwise we say blog. Blog means here social media. So how do you write about yourself? Just listen. I am Preeti. I am working as a teacher and want to become a professor in future. I have set my goals. I want to do MBA from a renowned institute and PhD from University of Madras. I wish to give lecture to students in the university. I am very ambitious. I am a responsible person. I am a good reader. I am mindful of everything. I love eating healthy food. I am in a happy relationship with good persons. I do not intake negativity. I am a counselor for people going through tough phase of their life. I love being out in nature. When some of your friends or any other new persons, if they read your bio note, immediately they love to open and they love to chat with you. Such a way you love to impress, you love to present all your bio note with kind notes. And you have to make it as very simple sentences. Learners or young persons or some other elders also will see your profile or bio note. If it is very simple, if it is very catchy, people try to go to full profile. Otherwise simply they will skip your profile, they will scroll down and they will go through some other profile. So you'll have to present nicely, pleasantly. Once again, I read and explain. Write a bio note about yourself to publish in your blog in about 120 words. First, you'll have to say your name. You'll have to introduce as usual. I am Preeti, or I am Janaki, or I am Lashmi, or I am Prabhakar. First one. Second one, I am working as a teacher. You can say I am studying in a college. I am working as a professor. I am working as a doctor or any other profession. As soon as you complete your degree, just assume that how do you write your profile? So first sentence, your name. I am Preeti. Second one, where you are working. I am working as a teacher and I want to become a professor in future. Now you are a teacher. You would like to climb the ladder, your career ladder or professional ladder. So you want to become professor in future. I have set my goals. You have aimed to do some course further and then only you can reach the goal. So next sentence, I have set my goals. I want to do MBA from a renowned institute. Here renowned means standard, quality, popular institute, and a PhD from University of Madras or Periyar University or any other university in the world. I wish to give lecture to students in the university. Once you become the professor, you need to present a lesson and you need to present a lecture. I wish to give lecture to students in the university. I am very ambitious. I am keen on to achieve this goal. I am a responsible person. Now you would like you need to say something about yourself, your all positivity and your strengths. I am a responsible person. I am a good reader. I am mindful of everything. I am keen on everything. I don't skip anything. I don't leave anything. I don't ignore anything. I am mindful of everything. I love eating healthy food. You'll have to say your personal habit too. I am in a happy relationship with good persons. I have very good friendship with very good persons. I do not intake negativity. I don't care about negativity or negativism or negative thoughts at all. I'm a counselor. I would like to counsel for people who are needy, going through tough phase. Everyone will face some tough situation, tough phase, and I would like to counsel. I would like to guide them. I love being out in nature, and I am a lover of nature. I would like to live in nature. Next one, write a short note about yourself to add to your profile on social media like Facebook and Twitter in about 160 words. This is a first one 120 words and the second one 160 words so that you can add some more points about yourself. This is also social media, Facebook and Twitter. Try to listen in what way you can write in a different way. So write a short note about yourself to add to your profile on social media like Facebook and Twitter in about 160 words. This is the question. Social profiles are a description of individuals' social characteristics that identify them on social media sites such as Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. The first one, you need to say something about what do you mean social profiles. Social profiles are a description of individual social characteristics that identify them on social media sites such as Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. LinkedIn is a social media, mostly learned persons, college professors, and other industrialists. They will share their views and all in cut edge. அப்படியே கண்டினியூ பண்ணிக்கிறீங்களா?
நெட்வொர்க் கட் ஆயிடுது சார்.
ஆமாங்க.
ஓ கால் வந்ததுனால டிஸ்கனெக்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. ரெக்கார்டிங் ஓடிட்டு இருக்கு சார்.
ரெக்கார்டிங் இது போயிட்டு இருக்கு. கண்டினியூ பண்ணிக்கிட்டீங்களா?
ஓகே சார். நீங்க அந்த மாதிரி வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா மியூட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் சார். இது F8 F9 பட்டன் இருக்கு சார். இப்போ கண்டினியூ
இருக்கு. இதெல்லாம் ஓடிட்டு இருக்குமா?
இப்போ ரன்னிங்ல தான் சார்.
கண்டினியூ பண்ணிக்கிறேன். எங்க அது காணும்? இங்க இருக்கணும். போட்டுருங்க. ஃபில் பண்ணி கட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
ஓ இது கண்டினியூ நடுவில் பிரேக் ஆனதுனால
ம்.
ஸோ க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி
நம்ம இது பண்ற போது பண்ணிக்கலாங்களா? அது
எடிட்
எங்க இருக்குது இதுவா?
மேக்ஸிமைஸ் பண்ணி
பாஸ் முதலே பண்ணிருக்கலாம். அதை இங்க வருது. எண்ட்